moving forward and moving backwards a bit. But if I look to the future, then more and more countries will legalize it. The cannabis will be more a regular thing. So I hope in the future, not only on the commercial side with the licensed facilities, but also with the home growing market, cannabis will become more and more mainstream, as it should be actually.
If it's on me, them never wanna let me be.
I think it's a good example. You see how it runs, how everything goes in Germany. I think it's a good example also for not only in the Balkans, but for the rest of the world, that it can be legalized, that it's becoming more and more mainstream, because a plant is a plant, and I don't understand why it's that much issue about it. We don't harm anybody, so I hope for the rest of the world and for the future it become more and more mainstream.
Where I find my spiritual connection,
Of course, it did affect the business. We see a lot of more home growers coming up since last year. So a lot of people want to grow their own cannabis because they want to have good quality. They want to know what they are consuming. So that's what it has affected. Of course, turnover went up as well for that. And I think, if that runs for the future, it will become more and more beneficial for not only our brand, for the whole community of cannabis. Just legalize it.
Get me on my knees if it's on me. Them never wanna let me be and keep.
Sometimes very hard to get your cannabis because you have to go to some shady dealers. You really don't know what quality you become. Now with the legalization, you can go to the drugstore, get recipe, and can get really good quality cannabis in the drugstore. So the recipe can, if you are over 21, you can get easily a recipe from the doctor. I hope for more acceptance from the people around here. So some places people don't like it when we smoke and they say we are junkies and so stuff.